Obra Sami Jenfi. One esiedu intetia. And then days and be able to about and the fire mamping. I was taken up on your so John Dramani Mahama. Now, Mr. in an sentinel, almost sentinel. This year, the annual meeting action, my mamping that John Dramani Mahama, the secret of Munimo, who began to was a ticket, I was here for her, I ain't Casta TV. The best source of us was private, but like and was on Swashay. The Maria so when me other man said, be too much, was when you be actually be a den etier. And some running to work as a bonus one, I just send you now, Dick, I can see you get here any a year. Some Jenfi, I didn't send me out top one thing. I find a man penny that John Drama, a man penny, John Drama, Mamma home. I almost a moment can you and say, yes, I'm first scandal be a year, a show to now, can you know a woman saying none of me, and also so much and married, and you, Muhammad, you wish to a Austin, or me, Mamma. Equity is a much. The better will be as best and some will be a quabas and Casa TV. Because also say any day can our friend Casa TV, our best subscribing. Mobile like and our sons was a memory of the mere man so it will too much, which will be a premium building TV. A year $16 billion for scandal be now by a month in that I don't Dramani Mahama, or near Yenia Ibrahim Mahama. A year private jet, and your money may be there might be brave. And I bought a yes, uncle from you anyway, and then a police for the sign, Manai, a sea format is a form way for her moving. And I more and a copy more our court, I just $16 billion for scandal. You be a woman, be a cray. Now, yes, you can find a bit of private jets, a bit of a cast, on the best getting a campaign as you can hear mono, a gunner for a seeker. I just said, for us, I up to a year go for me, we are making on my semi. Yes, I'm burning good things and much.
And to come back down Montamua, and to come back and to come back and SCA. Ah, Quasi Bessia, dear, when it Johnson, a said in Katia, and to qua Adam in the Chemasi. And to Quani, and to Quana, SCA Quasi Bessia, dear, when it Johnson, a said in Katia, and to Quano, a sitting nanny. Munum say, Akwasi Bessia, dear. 2028 want me kobium as say NDC presidential candidate Emma Wom want me kobium the last 4 years okoni na obi apre national chairman Johnson Esiedin Katia epese obetu Franka no ene ma wom ena haina idrusu ensu peso hoden oba Mutie three candidate. Mumodate to Makasa phobia member, okay. Obiamodate to any bar or presidential candidate, no, any party. Johnson Esiedin Katia Haina Idrusu Anna Chief of Staff Julius Debra Omiensa Na Esano Akwasi Bessia dear Ebo Julius Debra Hoban say MPP 4 NDC 4 and you know support to Julius Debra no to Francano Amaon into Bibio Biano why support to Julius Debra Eba Adia da and I said in Katia and Super Saturday Woba and I do so day at HD Antino and to question in say Akwasi Bessia dear yadia one never support Julius Debra Chief of Staff so be to Franka and Yama NDC and I said in Katia and to Uja appointment in a Kokosuna appointment in a Kokosuna appointment no Uja appointment na NDC appointment ya Akwasi Bessia de or appointment no Tuduana eye Julius Debra enko for and a more appointment because Sikababa ama campaign na Julius Debra dey ewini Entino Johnson Esiedin Katia ne de kwa ne aboto agu Johnson Esiedin Katia aka Somju Akrantie one ne de kwa ne aboto agu the reason why one ne de kwa ne aboto agu ni nyina say Bantama Bantama constituency. Oba bi wo. Wane ne koi. Hey, akosi be share dey say. No. Me fama no. Me fama no. Oboto tenen. E Bantama. Eye se di ketie nipa. Nani mo no. Nakola. Ebe bonte be kasai. Yenkuti asema oka kire akwasi be hyehyɛ ade yentie no akora kasai o Bantama Johnson na sedi nkatia enkola no wom enti no se emo appointment re sika beba ama otimi ne abeboa me atwa campaign 2028 na ba betu franka nsade a akwasi be hyehyɛ ade si womfa esedi nkatia nimkofo no onye sika na o mewini na dwueze blanka dem nsade a yemfa unipa yenko Bantama nti
Uba Ashanti Regional Belanchi Women Manifesto. Ebe Kacha say Ghanaian women matter. Mr. President Okacha say women will play vital role in the national development. So women will be the center of your governance. Mr. President Okacha say affirmative action law. Uba equal gender, equal number of gender on the table. You need Oba, you need the man. So I say Ghanaian women we matter. Also be National Women's Development Bank abe what a ma IA business. Also be increase technical vocational programs. Send a be develop because our program the map and there. Mr. President, as for what we ordered no, and you know deliver my.
President Mahama, as a former member of parliament, if his memory serves him right, should know the amount of effort that members of parliament put in drafting a bill. He should also understand that every sitting of parliament incurs cost to the state of Ghana. So much resources have been pumped into drafting out this bill for the Ghanaian people, which the speaker even used as grounds to disrespect the first gentleman of the land, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Sam George and many officials of the NDC were saying that Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is trying to bring LGBTQ in this country, and that is why he is refusing to sign the bill. Obviously, John Dramani Mahama's U-turn and double stand should be an even greater indicator that he is in bed with the LGBTQ community. If you lie your way to power, you start taking unwise initiatives and adventures, as if we don't already have subjects that instill discipline in our children and teach them our family values. This comment is one of the most bizarre comments I've ever heard coming from the mouth of John Dramani Mahama. Many parents don't give their children sex education because they are scared of rather exposing their children to adult stuffs. Introducing a new subject on family values is rather going to expose our children to LGBTQ activities. The only way of stopping this or preventing this is by the law to restrain people from engaging in such activities. And honorable men have taken the pain in designing this bill with the resources of Ghana, and all you have to do as president is to stand firm on our principles and our core values in this country and sign the bill. Sign the bill, Mr. Mahama. Sign the bill. Listen carefully. John Dramani Mahama has every right to sign the bill or not sign the bill, but failure to sign that bill would put him and his NDC in the same evil suit they kept Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Dr. Mahmoud Bome made it clear that if the Supreme Court is done with whatever they have to do with the LGBTQ bill and it is laid before him, he is going to sign it without any hesitation. So John Dramani Mahama should not give us a U-turn.